Hi guys, today I want to do a short video about some keycaps for a change. People have been requesting a keycap video for ages, and so I decided to do one on my favorite type of modern keycaps, and they are SA. Shout out to kbdfans.cn for sending me this excellent set of Max Keys SA profile caps. I've said on quite a few occasions that the two coolest custom keycap sets I've seen are SA Dasher, which I bought a while ago, and SA Space Cadet, which these Max Keys caps are very reminiscent of indeed, surely no coincidence. These and other Max Keys sets like it are $99 from kbdfans.cn. Click the link in the description to have a gander. Thought that was well worth sharing because SA sets normally cost 2 arms and 3 legs to buy. Looks nice like this, these two keyboards, doesn't it? Now, I know that SA Dasher and SA Space Cadet are very historically inspired. In fact, SA caps themselves were originally a 1970s set from Comptech, later Signature Plastics. Here you can see some original uniprofile SA caps on an old maxi switch keyboard. And yeah, maybe the fact that they are vintage is part of what draws me to them. But that's not the only thing. See, personally, a very important part of what I like about mechanical keyboards is the sound they make, which is one of the reasons I like Blue Alps so much, I guess. And caps are a major influence on this, so I did a lot of testing to look at what influences what. And basically, I have 3 main conclusions. 1. ABS sounds bassier than PBT. 2. Thick caps sound bassier, but are quieter. And 3. Tall caps are louder than low-profile caps. So, in other words, the loudest, bassiest sound comes from tall, thick ABS caps, but you don't want them too thick or they'll attenuate the sound too much. Kind of a medium thick is optimal in my experience. And as a side benefit, ABS lends itself to double-shot injection molding, which is the highest quality printing technique, no contest. Hence why my favorite caps are all tall double-shot ABS. So QSA caps, which fit this profile perfectly. So, apart from looking ultra kick-ass and feeling pretty good, they also bring out the best of the sound in a switch, and I'd like to demonstrate that with a little sound test of some instructive keycap types on this Corsair K70 with MX Red, which is a very common modern keyboard. These are its own standard laser-ablated ABS caps, very common on modern keyboards nowadays. These are stenciled PBT POM double shots that you can find on many Chinese clone keyboards. Standard cherry lasered thin PBT caps, those are almost always the worst sounding option. Focus type thin ABS double shots, these are pretty good for Alps switches. OG cherry double shots, equivalent to GMK made ones, probably the toughest contender here. And finally SA. Now, I used the same letter keys for all types to even out the playing field, and all are row 2 to give other caps a bit of a fighting chance, as SA row 1 profile is just ludicrously tall. So let's see what they sound like. So you can really tell that the SA caps absolutely wipe the floor with the competition. They just sound so much fuller and bassier than the rest. Lovely. So yeah, I think they really bring out the sound beautifully, and I think it deserves no elaboration that they look amazing, especially the Dasher and Space Cadet sets. Anyway guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.